Wait, what was that? Something out of the ordinary? No, it was just water. Yes, I'm saying water is bad for your hair. How does that even make sense? Well, let me explain something to you. One of the biggest questions and most asked question I get is, Salon Guy, if I were to do something to my hair, like make it wavy or make it straight or spend all this time blow drying it, what happens, is it gonna stay like that? What happens when water hits it? Guess what? Hear that? Water. When water touches your hair, it ruins everything. Now, water obviously is needed when you have to wash your hair. It's not bad for your hair, technically. Like, it's not gonna ruin your hair. You need water, right? Water's phenomenal. But for your hairstyle itself, if you were to spend all this time drying your hair, styling it a certain way, and then the minute it rains on your hair or you wet it down, everything just completely falls apart and goes back to its natural shape, okay? If you get a chemical treatment like a perm or a straightener or something like that, then obviously it's fine because you've changed the structure and shape of the hair. However, if you are to say you've got really straight hair, let's just talk about a couple scenarios. You've got really straight hair. And you've got, straight hair, and then you do all this stuff, you watch my tutorials, you try to, you got short hair and you scrunch it and make it wavy, and you're like, oh my gosh, it worked. The Salon Guy Tidal Wave, the sea salt spray, it worked, and the diffuser and all the techniques he talks about with his blow dryer, my hair is wavy. Oh my gosh. The minute, again, if your hair is straight, the minute water hits it, whether you wash it, you go outside, you just wanna, I don't wanna wash my hair, I'm just gonna wet it down. It's gone. It's going back to your natural state of what your texture is, unless, again, it's chemically altered. If you have curly hair, if you've got frizzy hair, and you spend all that time blow drying your hair with a round brush and 25, 30 minutes, a smoothing iron, the minute water hits it, guess what? It's going to go back to its natural state of being frizzy, of being curly, and whatever it is. So I'm telling you right now, yes, water will change your hairstyle because I get asked that. And to me, I would think it's common sense, but like, you want to know. So do not, whatever you do, and this kind of ties into your hair washing, how often you wash your hair. You don't need to wash your hair every single day, okay? And then the rinsing, some of you are like, oh, well, I just want to rinse it. I don't want to wash it, shampoo it, I just want to rinse it. Well, it's the same thing. If you rinse your hair, you are going to lose its shape. You're going to lose the volume. It's all going to get rinsed away, okay? Your hair won't get rinsed away and you won't look like me, but the shape that you created will just go back to normal. Then you have to blow dry and do that process all over again. So, I hope you found this video helpful. I know it's kind of a shorter video. Let me know in the comments below, and I love the interaction. I have a lot of amazing changes going on here at my facility here at the Salon Guy headquarters, and I'm going to be posting new types of content. I'm really, really excited and passionate about this, working on some new products, but let me know in the comments below if you solved the mystery, or have you experienced this? But that's really the whole point of this, is water is not good for your hairstyle because it just destroys everything. So if you want to purchase any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.